installation of the BlueActio receiver for community garages and houses is not difficult for any specialized installer, and it is even easy to install by users with a degree of DIY skills who want to install it themselves at home following the step-by-step instructions in the manual provided. The receivers are modular and include a base and 1 or 2 antennas. The base is always installed inside the garage near to the door motor, and the antennas can be installed either inside or outside, always seeking to give the best coverage to vehicles approaching the door to access the garage. There are 3 types of connections to carry out. The first is to connect the standard 3-wire cable, phase, neutral and earth, to the base. The power supply supports an AC input voltage of between 110 and 230 volts, compatible with all countries. The second is the connection between the base relays that control the opening of the door and the corresponding terminal of the door motor. The base has 2 relays that control the opening action, offering the ability to manage the opening of up to 2 different doors. Communication between the base and the antennas is carried out using 6 connections. Any 6-wire cable can be used, such as the common Ethernet cabling that has 8 wires. In this case, we would not use one of the 4 pairs. The connecting terminals are clearly marked by letters on each plate, having to connect each of them with their corresponding letter. For example, Z with Z. For ease of installation, the plates have detachable terminals. Each antenna must be wired to its own connection to the base, and cable runs of up to 50 meters long can be used for this purpose. An ideal installation would have the base installed next to the door motor. The most complicated part of this procedure is knowing the motor interface connections. If in doubt, the door motor's technical documentation and specifications should be carefully read. Our installer knows what to do. First, he connects the power cables. He connects the earth cable, and then he connects the neutral and phase. Then he connects the 2 relay activation wires, which are used by the base to give the motor the order to open the door. Now it's time to see if it works.